The creek monster habitat for us is a home that we've created for the monster.
I like to think of the creek monster as
a shy, benevolent spirit.
It's a magical place.
The class itself created design briefs, engaging the students completely and transparently from day one.
There are so many different aspects to this project: sound design, lighting design, architecture, just to name a few.
It's been really great collaborating with the other teams.
We all come from different disciplines and we come together and we share our knowledge.
Our students are able to communicate across disciplines.
Working on this project has definitely prepared me for my future career.
The success of the work is entirely dependent on the student.
Can't wait to share it with the rest of Austin.